So here we've got some panelling, interior panelling that's been reclaimed from a motor yacht that was originally launched in 1929, built at the Thornycroft yard in London. Of recent, she was stood on hard standing in all weathers for between 10 to 15 years. We're not too sure how far. But she was being broken up, and we were lucky enough to meet the gentleman breaking her. And as a result, after seeing her and seeing this condition of sort of the planking and some of the other timbers, we bought sort of a quantity of it with the aim to recondition it and reuse it in some projects that are of the same period. So, you know, we get this lovely sort of harmony between, you know, new material being used, and what was there originally. So this here is a sort of mahogany panelled fit out in the rear cabin. It's very nicely made. It's very classic panel within a frame. The panels are all flat. There's no raised bevels, no router mouldings, no beads or anything on them. The panels themselves were tongue and grooved. They're solid timber. They must be about 3/8 of an inch, and they were set into a grooved frame, which you can sort of see here. And then the frame was dowelled, mortise and tenoned and dowelled. The condition of it, as you can see, is it's covered in paint, grime and muck, and you know, this horrible red varnish. But underneath it is something quite beautiful, I think. There's a piece here that you can see the annular rings, that telltale ring. There's this beautiful crown cut on it. We're going to use some of this in a refit project on a sort of 1930s motor yacht, and we'll see how much we have left over, and we'll see what comes up, because it's, yeah, it should be beautiful.